So if you travel at all, you're most definitely going to want to check this app out right now. All right, so today we're checking out Skiplagged. It's one of the most amazing apps I've seen for travel, hotels, flights. I'm going to kind of give you a rundown and give you my review of it. I'm going to record my screen on my phone so you can kind of see how it works. So what you're going to do, you're going to pull up the app. Obviously, you'll create an account, log in, email, classic stuff. This is what it looks like when you first log into Skiplagged. So they always have great deals right here where you can kind of see things like if you're not 100% where you want to travel, but you're open to suggestions, then this is the spot. $100 here from Denver to New York. I mean, Charlotte to New York, $97. They also have international flights right here. So Paris to Toronto for $165. Why don't you have this yet? Here's a link right here. I basically get credits for any booked flight under my name. And you can do this as well. Share it with friends, family, whatnot. So now I'm going to basically go through the process of booking a flight and show you how easy this actually is. And you can knock this out in like 2 minutes. So this is what I was searching to go home not that long ago. So let's just do that. We'll change the date. Let's say we want to go in September. The coolest part about this for me is you can see this graph down here and you can kind of slide to, like I said, once again, if you're flexible, you can basically slide and see this day is $60 cheaper if we literally go tomorrow, as opposed to the day before, and we can save ourselves like $50-$60. Let's look right here, September 10th through the 12th, $108, and that is round trip. We'll select the dates. It's a sick app, so I'm going to review it. So then we go here, and then we can see basically all the available flights. And I will say Frontier and Spirit are definitely your cheapest flights. I know some people have like stipulations and don't like them and whatnot, and that's the cool part is they give you the option. They're still American Airlines, bigger companies. You don't have to necessarily settle with Frontier or Spirit or something like that. Basically, the app just kind of scours the entire internet and finds you the cheapest flight possible. Grand total of 2 hours and 23 minutes for $108 round trip. Why don't you have this app yet? Click the link right here. And then we'll hit book now. So and then obviously it'll throw you an offer if you need to get a hotel as well. I personally have never booked a hotel through Skiplagged, but I would assume it's just as simple as the flights. So I started doing the flights back in like 2011 or something like that. I was shooting music videos for bands. It was saving me crazy amounts of money to fly out and shoot a music video. If I had to guess, this app saved me probably $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. I have nothing but good things to say about the app. If you want to go to my affiliate link, just to be completely transparent, it gives you like, I think it gives you like a $10 credit under their app anytime somebody books a flight. So that is what this link will basically do. And you can sign up under that. I'd greatly appreciate it. There is only one thing that I would kind of say, keep an eye out for. Look at your layovers. Yeah, it is maybe the cheapest flight, but you got to really pay attention to the layover. And it does make it pretty obvious. It's in big, bold font. So because sometimes I've had it where the cheapest flight is $100, but my layover is like 16 hours or something. So you may have to scroll down and basically find the best deal for you. So best of luck with your travels. And once again, here's my affiliate link if you want to check it out. And best of luck with Skiplagged. This is Taylor Bryant of Just Dust, and I'll catch you in the next one.